Now we need to create a new Java Servlet class to handle the request for the URL for this Hibernate my orders here, and we need to update the header menu front-end header here. My orders Hibernate here, and the Hibernate is ViewOrdersServlet. ViewOrdersServlet. Okay. So now just create a Java Servlet class. Under this package, new Servlet. The class name is ViewOrdersServlet. Next, and edit the URL mapping is /view_orders. Okay. Next, and uncheck the box to implement the do what method only. Finish, and here we go. Delete the generated comments.